Madam, good afternoon.
See,
Madam, good afternoon.
not ready today.
It is very shameful for you to accept that.
Today. No, you know, say you call last week. You buy something, you don't give me money. I don't want credit. If anything you want buy now, go pay me. Nah.
How much are they owe you when you take the talk to me anyhow? You know who I be.
700 no be money. 700 no be money.
Because of 700 naira, you are insulting me.
What you want buy?
Because of Madam, don't worry, I have your money. I will give you. Give me Pepsi. I have money here. I'm loaded.
Pepsi and what?
One Pepsi. How much is this bread? 150. No problem. I will show you that. Just give me Pepsi. Madam, don't worry. Don't talk to me anyhow. Mind the way. I have your money.
This one when you don't they open now. You never give me money.
Madam,
yes.
Don't you know you are supposed to offer visitors seat? You're supposed to. Oh, where did this bread now, friend? Maybe that's how today.
This man!
Madam, how much is that? They owe you when make you dey insult me. They talk to me.
1,000.
Only 1,000 naira.
I think 1,000 no be money.
I'm very stupid. I'm very
Today,
foolish.
you will know why they call me.
Abarie! Yeah.
I tell you, sir.
Madam, I be this. Now, I see I want to pick the money.
You think say they wise?
Which money be that, Chairman?
I see you when they pick this money for God. You can put small sand. I dey watch you with the picker.
This man!
No, even stress. I don't collect my money.
Okay.
Okay,
No,
thank
no.
you.
It is very shameful.
Madam, but
Hey! Ayé mi tèmi bá mi.
You want to please others and displease us and displease
So,
yourself.
now the money where you pick for ground, you won't come pay me.
Mamumu no too
And
much.
I don't know. I don't say you be foolish man. You know say when you I tell you say you go pay me my money.
no be sir.
I be-
They never
No be
leave.
sir. Toss her, no.
They have left you behind.
Madam, see, let me be honest with you. There's nothing in my pocket.
There's
Hey!
nothing in your pocket.
Ayé mi tèmi bá mi.
Oh yeah, madam, see what we will do. Hold this bread and Pepsi. I never drink and go.
Wetin concern me? When you
All
don't open
the
am,
teeth.
I don't tell you to give me money
It's
before you
only
open
the
am.
that
You don't open
now.
am finish. You dey
think
tell
say
me
they
say my
wise?
bring am first. I go collect. Bring am.
Mo gbé wọn handicap.
Madam, okay.
Mo gbé wọn handicap.
I am going to POS.